We're in Himare, Albania. Just checking out the hotel and going to Sarandë. Going to make a few videos there. Hopefully the hotel is good, as it's definitely the most expensive that we have in Albania. And yeah, hopefully have a good time. The weather is beautiful, it's bloody hot. Our car is waiting in the car park right there. It was in front of the hotel for the entire time. And yeah, goodbye Himare. It's been absolutely a pleasure. Ciao. Okay, last look in the apartment. If we take everything, I think we have. Let's pick up the car and off we go. I think I will quite miss this. Hopefully the next destination is just as good or better. I think it is going to be better. Let's see. Last look at this beautiful green and blue waters of Himare. Lovely little morning. The beach is already filling up. Yeah. Goodbye. Ciao, ciao.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Guys, the views are so good that we have to stop at the viewpoint. Have a look at this. Wow. I can't really record and drive, but thought stopping here would be a good idea. Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? All this mountain there, and then you got the sea. And I'll tell you what, this is not the best stop. I mean, we missed a few, but they were better. If there is another one good, we make a stop. Okay, let's go to the next one. Right, we arrived to the hotel. Parking is literally impossible. The streets are so narrow, it's very difficult to drive. So you park here in the meantime. And well, I mean, it doesn't look that bad here, but it's terrible. To come here, you have to come all the way down from the very narrow road here and to the left from the main street. Anyway, let's check in. Quick look at our room. They said there is a sea view. Yes, there is a sea view. Maybe not the best, but there is a sea view. Right. Look nice, look okay. And a little bathroom, but nice and clean, I see. Okay, right. Let me show you the way to the beach and to the bar. Just want to record. Okay, let's start from a breakfast bar. Okay, here we can get a pint, which is great. Here is the restaurant. Breakfast is included from 8 to 10. Or if you want a coffee or anything, everything is included. Oh, that view. It's bloody brilliant. So each room comes with one umbrella, 2 sunbeds, which is good. No need to reserve them early in the morning with towels or anything. You just show them to the water guard. Wow, amazing. Let's see the sea. Water looks nice and blue, clean. But unfortunately it's bloody stones again. Should be alright. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like we have quite a few hotels here on the coastline. That's good. And the island on the very back, it's Corfu. So not far at all. Corfu, Greece. Right, let's go and unpack maybe. What do you think about it? I think best we had so far in Albania. It could be better, but it's alright. Staff were lovely. And remember, it's about €120 per day. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, good. Right, we end the beach. Time to test the water and fly the drone a little bit to check the surroundings. But yeah, definitely looks the best from what we see so far. Right, drone time. Check the drone footage. Looking nice, I think, no? Hopefully it will be a good material. check the beer. Thing is, I don't see any people drinking beers on the sunbeds. Can this not be allowed? I don't think so. So let's see, let's check. By the way, footage from drone looks bloody amazing. So yeah, let's see it. I mean, you have seen it already, I haven't. Can I get 2 beers?
Yes.
And iced coffee, please.
Iced coffee?
Yes,
What
please.
kind of beer do you like?
Like
Local?
draft?
Do you like draft?
Yes, please.
Draft,
Two
yes.
drafts.
Small, big?
Big.
Big, all
Yeah,
right.
2. And iced coffee.
Milk sugar. Okay, 2 crico të mëdha dhe 2 frappe.
There you go, a beer and 2 iced coffees, 1,300 lek. It's about £13. Not cheap, but acceptable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
So off to the beach with this. So this is my favorite view on a holiday. Beach and a nice beer. Anyway, time to test the water in a bit. So going for lunch in our restaurant. Let's see what they got to offer. Lady was saying that they do Albanian food, but mainly it's just Mediterranean, not Albanian. So let's have a quick look at the menu. Nice and cool here. I mean, no aircon, but acceptable. I wanted to sit at this table, but they complain too hot, so going in the shadow here somewhere. Just a quick look at the menu. That's what they have. It's a lot of, yeah, it is Mediterranean, it's not Albanian. I would actually say it's Italian rather than Mediterranean. Plenty of Italian dishes. Not sure what to take yet. Yeah. In this restaurant in the hotel we're getting a little bit of an appetizer here for free, which is a lovely touch. So yeah, let's start with this, some bruschettas. Right, to start we have mussels. I love my mussels, so I always try them anywhere I go. The appetizer that we've just been given for free. Some grilled veg for mom. And some sort of fish soup, which looks like this. Enjoy. So Villa scallop with some lemon sauce apparently and veg. Pork belly, it says, but it looks like pork chop. And chicken with truffle sauce. Let's see what this tastes like. So food was okay. Didn't have to go out of the hotel. Just ate here locally. Not a Michelin star, but not too bad. Paid €63 for 3 people. Starter and main, so I guess couldn't really be any better. And we're back to where we come from. Beach and sunbeds. Can't wait for the final of Euro 24 tonight. Hopefully we can watch it in the hotel somewhere. They said we can, not sure where yet, but that's going to be fire. Can't wait for this. In the meantime, you can have a look at the beach again. Can't wait to record it and sit on the sunbed, drink sunset. That would be amazing, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll catch you later. I'm going back to chill for a while. Just taking a walk along the coastline towards the Sarandë public beach. I think that's all we're going to do in this vlog, as it's only checking into hotel, and I'd like to show you the beaches that we are staying in. And I think tomorrow we're going to spend all day, I mean all evening, when the sun goes down, in the town of Sarandë. Don't know if, probably haven't got enough time today. Taking a walk to the public beach in Sarandë now, then we're gonna do a bit of shopping, and probably we'll spend the most of the evening watching final of Euro 2024, so will be no time for the city. So yeah, just going to show you what's in front of us here, as I'm pretty sure that it will be impressive too. So let's just put it this way: this vlog is about the beach of Sarandë, and the next vlog will be about actual Sarandë town. Anyway, I understand why they call it Maldives of Europe. Color of this water speaks for itself, I believe. And I actually don't mind small, fine rocks. I just don't like the massive, sharp rocks which you get in Croatia. But look at this water. Beautiful, isn't it? So we're heading this way. I mean, as you see, not all the beaches are fantastic here. Some are like this. Luckily, not the one we're staying at. But I really wonder what the public beach is like. It's got to be good. I was actually hoping that we're going to find a nice sandy beach at some point, but maybe we will not. I wonder if we will be able to get to the public beach walking here. I think so, but we're going to have to avoid a lot of obstacles. I think we'll make it. Just gonna have to head this way. By the way, a boat like this, jet ski, it's 150 euro per hour, so I think that's acceptable. I mean, it's all bloody rocks, not the horrible rocks, but like stones, not sharp, luckily, but still, if this place had like sandy beaches, wow, that would be the top of the Europe. It's already good, but just missing this. I mean, probably there are places with sandy beach. Let me know in the comments. I mean, look at this lodges there. That's fantastic. Isn't that nice? I think you can rent it private. Lovely that. Sure, it belongs to the hotel. That's amazing. Long, beautiful coastline, guys. It gets better and better as we move. I think there we see the public beach at the back. Unbelievable, it's starting to rain. Oh my god, I think it's time to make our way back. We're gonna get soaked. Gonna look for shelter. Albania is famous from these beds above the water. No way it's raining. I think we have no choice but stop here for a drink. Honestly, no choice. Sounds quite kind of convenient anyway. Looks like not stopping for a drink. Parents are complaining, and we're just gonna go back to the beach. I mean, towards our beach. Then we go into the shop, do some shopping, then back in the beach, and then the match time. Just hope this rain is stopping soon. It doesn't look like heavy rain. You know, I think it's only like 10 minutes thing. Anyway, we can expect to see the rain here. So that's quite a nice addition actually. It's very warm anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. Kind of refreshing everything. Check this out. Bar, restaurant, and if you want, you can rent one of these, which is cool. I think they wouldn't mind if we record a little bit. Isn't this cool? I wonder how much it is. That would be way more than a sunbed on the beach. And look at this water. Look at it. I kind of want to jump in the water myself now. It looks so good. I guess I have no other choice but go. Would rather wait here with a drink. Okay. Kind of stopped raining now. We didn't get home yet. I'm into the hotel. Still going. Just wanted to show you this nice place to see. Lovely, isn't it? I think I'll be back here tomorrow at some point to stay here. Nice that. And if that's not enough for you, there is a restaurant right here. They can serve you beers just over the fence. So that's good. Yep, local shop right in front of our hotel. Just need to get up this hill first. Go in the shop. 1 minute, not bad. And that's where we have to go to the car park down here to the right, very narrow. So that's where we're getting our essentials. They got water, which we need, beer, which is there, and literally everything we need. Not a massive market, but you can get the basics. I think they even have some like ham and bread and stuff, so that's good. Yeah, everything is here. Not planning to go any further than this today. Maybe just for tomorrow to explore the city. Let's see where we can watch it and what it looks like. It's perfect. I'm actually very surprised as there is literally nobody here. Unbelievable. Are we going to be the only one watching? And then one table of owners? Maybe. I was expecting a bit more vibrant atmosphere. Right, ready for the match. Pina colada for mum, beer, and a Negroni. And there we go. 0-0 so far. What a sad day. We've gone that far. We got to finals of Euro 2024 and lost against Spain 2-1. Very sad day indeed. I was hoping this holiday, this is gonna be the cherry on the top of the holiday, but fortunately we lost. Hey, they got far anyway. Gonna be finishing the vlog for today. We got to Sarandë, we checked in, we spent the day on the beach, went to a local restaurant, and tomorrow we're planning to spend all day in the town of Sarandë. I mean, we're gonna spend the day on the beach, and in the evening when it gets a little bit cooler, go to the town. So yeah, we'll make another vlog there, show you what it's like, as we didn't get to see it too much today. Hopefully the weather is nice, not raining like it was today. Well, it was only a 10-minute rain and it was warm, so no problem. Anyway, guys, please help me develop my vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.